What's up guys? Welcome to Philly Vlogs. Whew, we made it today, but it's raining. So no camera today. I mean no professional camera to use. So I'm using now the Samsung A50. Be patient to us.
Simple menopause, but she got him shit, he got him way. Santa Monica, then we find the city of LA. Banned from all the bars, shawty go, shawty wanna play. What is happening while we take this shitty holiday? Simple menopause, but she got him shit, he got him way. Santa Monica, then we find the city of LA. Banned from all the bars, shawty go, shawty wanna play. What is happening while we take this shitty holiday?
Don't pack your bag, don't buy it there. Going fast forward, yeah, there's no time chair. Yeah, we done passed out, we don't gotta see the sight till the road's gone dark. We don't need the headlights. Yeah, we don't stop at red light till you're feeling alright. We can do this all night, yeah. Said it once or twice, and I'm hoping that you're feeling light. Now we gonna roll the dice, fill it through blind lights. Wait now, true, that's right. Let me in or kill me now. While the bouncer kick me out. Can we take a little break? Keep me here, I might be late. Simple menopause, but she got him shit, he got him way. Santa Monica, then we find the city of LA. Banned from all the bars, shawty go, shawty wanna play. What is happening while we take this shitty holiday? Simple menopause, but she got him shit, he got him way. Santa Monica, then we find the city of LA. Banned from all the bars, shawty go, shawty wanna play. What is happening while we take this shitty holiday?
We're getting early, wherever we go, they tell me we'll make it trendy. Just follow the road, yeah, now my ego's getting bigger. You can say it's a crime, but I can't help it when they say it's a matter of time. Let me in or kill me now. What about to kick me out? Can we take a little break? Keep me here, my
Such a beauty.
But she got him shit, he got him way. Santa Monica, then we find the city of LA.
Look at this. Very nice guys. So I turned off this super steady shot because it's not a good quality for low light. So this is what we get today. We can get today. Ooh, we can have lunch here. Such a wrong timing. Raining. By the way guys, my phone is not waterproof, just to let you know, but I'm taking a risk. Love, you alright? Picture! Look at this beauty. Love your nature, guys. Look at that water. I think this is better. What is this for? Oh, you can put money here. This is their money. I don't know what is this for, but for luck. So if you put here, you'll become rich. Stabilization is off. Look at that. So amazing. Woo. at that. So guys, coming here is like 300 hryvnia times 2 in peso, 600. $1 is 25 hryvnia, guys. Just to let you know. Look at that. Rain or shine, everyone must come. Here we go. Oh my god. You're right. Picture. My son. Love. Look at your son. What happened to him? Alright, so that's the fall, guys. Amazing, beautiful falls. Woo! Using this Samsung A50 for vlogging. I don't know, let me know. Put in a comment below. Let's go up there. Let's see the view. Love, just be careful, please. And your son, I don't know, his bonnet is wet already. Why you're not wearing bonnet? Oh, that's so beautiful. They block this. Nobody can go up. Love, stay. It's wet. Love, you're going further. Are you okay? It's too high already, huh? Guys, if you want to see the super steady shot, the stabilization of this camera, I'm going to turn it on right now, so you will see the difference of the quality. So this is the super steady shot of Samsung A50. Going up. My wife is so brave. She wants to go up. She wants to go up. Whew. Amazing. Guys, how is the super steady shot of this phone? Picture? So this is no more stabilization, guys. Woo! Because without the stabilization in low light, this phone is getting a good image in it. Clear resolution, better than the steady on. Woo! We're going back? Going back, right? Oh, I am on top here. Guys, it's really dangerous here. You need to be very, very careful. No, be careful. Going down is much harder. It's difficult. Reminder guys, this is not a waterproof or a water resistant phone, but I'm taking a risk. Who knows, maybe if this is broken, I'm gonna buy a Note 10 Plus. Yeah, I know you need my help because it's going down. I'm gonna hold you. I will shut down this phone because it's really hard. Or I'm gonna hold you in your back.
No,
What?
I need you in front.
Better. You need to compensate the exposure all the time for this camera. I lowered the brightness because it was overexposed. Now we are going to check the foods that they are selling here. Mostly they have like hot dogs, if you remember what we saw there earlier. Oh, my son. Are you okay? Are you alright? Huh? Tell mommy and daddy if you're not okay. Huh? Look at this. They made it, yeah? So let's take a picture. Ay, ay, ay. That. Turn out this is not just a travel tour, this is also a review for this phone, Samsung A50. Amazing. So just for those who don't know, you need to pay 10 hryvnia per person. It's like 20 pesos for Philippine money. It's not even a cent for a dollar. Well, they're asking for money for preserving this nature, you know. You need somebody to take care of this place. To clean the place, you know, to take care, to watch it, preserve your nature. All right, so we are here. What do they have here? What is this? Marijuana? Oh, they're selling drugs. Joke, it's not marijuana. Hello. Huh? English.
China?
Нет, Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes. It's mushroom. Grip. Tak. Nice. Look at this wine, guys.
Blueberry, you know, blueberry, raspberry.
Bulgari?
Bulgari vino, vino.
Vino. Blueberry. Дякую.
Можно пробовать?
Now, here. Where's my wife? Oh, look at that.
Дай девчонки два еще.
Do you know what is this? Matt, he wants to sit down. Дякую. Where is the magnet? Here is the magnet. Yep. There is a table, you see? We can eat here, by there, and then we can sit here. Huh? Why? You have his... He can eat with us. Look at the food. Can I? Thank you. Kebab. Oh my god, super. Amazing. And this is the result. Okay. Very nice. Дякую. Дякую.
You want shashlik like this and potato like this?
Yeah.
Дайте один шампур, і картопля.
Ask him, maybe he wants also something. Let's treat him.
Може ви з нами садите? Угощаємо. Зараз, почекайте, давайте тоді. Десь 600 грам шашлика.
600 грам?
Так. І картоплі 2 шампури.
Look at this. Selling stuff. Amazing. Look at that. Handmade. It's okay. Thank you. Baseball bat. Honda, Mitsubishi. Dyakuyu. Look at this. Amazing. Hello. Look at this, people. You see? They are cooking there. That's why there's a smoke coming from the chimney. So many things to buy here. I am so soaked. But it's fun. There is a toilet. Toilet is there. Oh, I love nature. We're exposed again. Look at that. That is the natural fog, and this is contributing. Amazing. Toilet. So I'm done using the toilet on this one. Look at this. It's nice. Amazing. Beautiful. Look at this stuff. Let's see if this can focus. Oh, it's nice. Focusing. Look at the bokeh. The bouquet of this phone. It's amazing. Can you catch the details? Yes, it is. Very detailed. Nice. Beautiful, guys. Wow. Let's get it closer. We are still waiting for the food, so let's have a look on this one. Amazing. This phone is hunting. See, tilt down, good color. When you put it up, it's changing. So you need to compensate every time. This is the wide view, the ultra wide of this camera. We showed you earlier. You're switching all the time. It's amazing. I'm adjusting the exposure all the time. So what do you think? Is this a good camera for vlogging? This is a review, guys, as well. Not just a tour. Amazing. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Okay, we are going back where we're supposed to be. Oh, the foods are here. Look at that. Toilet. Look at that. He's the owner of our hotel. Hello.
Your son.
And my son is eating already. Oh my god. Look at our food. Sashlik.
Shashlik.
Amazing. Coffee. Espresso. Cappuccino. And then he is the one also who drove us here. It's very nice. We paid 300 ringgit. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Вкусно, delicious. Хорошо? Potato. Is this beef? Pork? Very nice. So this is the front camera of this phone. My friend, my new friend. What is his name? Vasha? Oh, Vasha. Nice to meet you. Look at this food. Almost done.
Wet napkin.
No need. How are you gonna take out?
You need to take out my Матвей не балуется.
Там де мілька гораздо.
Ми нікуди не пішли
Не
від цього
балуйся.
м'яча. Я зараз мамі за коронів взагалі щось взяти. Що це за срачка?
Dobra. Kaka? Nie, kaka. Ty kuda?
Where's my phone? We were calling you. No. Матвей, no.
No, dog.
Собачку трогать нельзя.
Toothpick?
Зайка. Собачку трогать нельзя. Собачка кусает.
Shabaka.
Don't give him any. Матвей was
Oh, my wife is so nice. Give it to the dog?
No, I didn't.
The last piece. So nice.
Зайка, стой тут. Ну, мама еще палочку дает. На вот это. Кака, нельзя, Матвей, что ты делаешь? На вот это. На. Стой, мама тебе сейчас сочек достанет. Подожди. Подожди. Мама сейчас даст.
Матвей, смотри. Матвей. Матвей.
Стой. Food for now, your phone.
Done. My wife is paying now. We got a souvenir. Show me the souvenir. Show me. Oh, very nice. Yeah, he's kissing already. So we are going back now. We are going back. Did you enjoy it? Super. Picture. Look at that. The owner of the hotel and our driver is buying something. I don't know what is it. Huh?
Map for people who wanna do trekking.
If you want to do trekking, guys, this is the map. I hope you understand. Better use Google. You don't understand this. Look at that.
We are here now. Somewhere here in the city. Where is Waterfalls?
That is Pylypets.
No.
That's where we are.
No, we are now in Pylypets. And
Pylypets.
Pylypets is where is it?
Our city?
Where is it?
I mean, our hotel.
Pylypets here.
Oh, so from here, we travel from here going to Pylypets. Amazing. Such a big country. Yeah.
Also, if no rain, we can go here.
Where?
It's a mountain. It's trekking here. But now it's
So from there,
Pylypets.
so it's
Now
a train.
it's raining. That's why we cannot go.
I understand. We cannot go. Show me your toy. Oh, you're hugging your toy now. Show me. Look at that. Show me. Kiss it, kiss. Hug. What is hug?
Kiss money.
And daddy? How about daddy? Daddy? Oh, very sweet. Okay. We are going back. This one, nice. That's not our car. Our car is here. I'll show you. This is a vintage car. Can you ask him which year is this? Yeah. 1982? This car? Older than me. Let's show them inside, yeah? Inside the car. Look at that. Wow. And it's a two-door, guys. Two doors. Yeah. You go inside first. Go inside. Ah, yeah. Love, can you take this? Okay. Thank you. And the wallet. Hold the camera. That good? Alright, we're done for today. Let's wipe this camera. You guys are right there?
Yeah.
Beautiful. I think this phone is around $400 or $300. Yeah, $350 phone. If you are tight of budget, this is the phone that you can get, and I would say it's quite okay, right? Yeah, the road. Oh, dog. There's a wild boar there, but we miss it. A 1982 car. Before I was born. It's raining. Moist inside. Another trivia, guys, if you don't have air condition in your car and it's raining outside, it's gonna be moist, everything. Wow, look at that, I just missed it. Ooh. Something happened. What happened? Flat? Good? Oh, I don't understand. It's okay. But he's taking something there. Happen. It's flat. Flat? And we are flat, guys. And we are moving on the side. Ah, it's not flat, it is stuck, I think.
А, колесо порвало.
Now you have a chance to look on the engine. Look at the engine. It's stuck. Well, 1982 car, this is a disadvantage, but it is a nice car actually. I like it. It's just you cannot avoid this, some kind of unavoidable circumstances. While we are here, let's look on the view. You alright?
You have a new friend, Whisper.
Yeah, his name is Whisper.
Yeah.
Is it a girl or girl? Whisper. Ah, you name it after the falls.
Yeah.
Oh.
You put it on the phone.
Because the name of the waterfalls is Whisper. In your language? Huh?
Shypit.
Shypit.
I need to check translation. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Abia, abia, abia. Imagine you can put your tools here as well. Look at the engine. That one is new. Your extra tire is there in the front. You can put it. The problem is here. This one is stuck. So he told me to do it. Tell me, love, right or left?
Друго? Ні? Ще?
Добре.
Ще? Друго?
It's just the wide camera, guys. Because of the wide cam, everything is wide. I'm holding. Let me know left or right, and then I will take care of it.
Смотри, что ты тут делаешь? Смотри, ай-яй-яй.
Что это такое? What's going on?
What else you take out?
Money. Maybe he dropped some money there.
My card.
Look at the mechanisms here.
Сиди, пожалуйста, Матвей. Опа, сиди, опа. Зай, пожалуйста, сядь. Хорошо?
So this is what happened if your car is broken and if you are using an old car.
Сиди, пожалуйста, руки сюда. Смотри,
What
смотри,
to say?
грязные руки.
It's okay.
Грязные. Зайка.
So we are still fixing the car. Actually, not me. Him. It's so blurry.
дам барсетку.
Тут лежить.
You're stopping again because he needs to check the tire again. Not the tire actually, it's the metals that holding the tire.
Але ще коло машини висить.
But it's not. There you go, guys. If you reach this point, thank you guys for watching Philly Vlogs, and this is the in-depth full review of the Samsung A50. What a quiet day, isn't it? Yeah, look at my view, right? If you like this phone and if you don't have enough budget to buy an expensive phone, this is a very inexpensive phone for a good quality of camera that you can use for vlogging. I'm sure you can find something else that will go and fit with that type of budget, like $350. But for Samsung and with Super AMOLED, this is a very good phone, I would say. And as you can see, it is not bad at all. And this phone is not water resistant, but this phone, Samsung A50, survived today. Amazing, isn't it? Stabilization of this camera, the super steady shot, is quite dark in low light and is giving a lot of noise compared to a non-super steady video mode. Video mode without the stabilization, it gives a little bit more color in the shots, but when you use the super steady shot in the low light, it's reducing the capability, the color science of it. So this one have a 25 megapixel for the main camera, and if you use the ultra wide camera, it doesn't use the 25 megapixel, it uses the 8 megapixel in it. This is my first time using this phone to my blog, so yeah, I hope you really like it. Thank you for watching and see you next vlogs. Peace out.
Так?
Fish. My first catch in my whole life. Stroke!
Ай-яй-яй. Ай-яй-яй.
48 зубів має впереді.
Серйозно. 48 tooth.
48 tooths?
Yeah.
Huh? One more.
Давай one more.
Yeah, he have the thing. My catch. That's my catch, guys.
Ти знаєш, Вася, ні? За Федора? Федору нет.
He's going to eat with us, no? So this too is not enough. Yeah? And I'm fishing.
Он как раз робити. Є кронштейн, сомний зой. Є такі. Я вам принесу, кажу, я не приварився. Можна тому на різьбу нарізати, то примерно.
Воно так на три, воно типу так прижимаєте, защолкується, і воно типу за що то, що пружина типу тиск, воно типу геть. Це на 300 літрів? Ось то ти московський геть. Що типу загнаності. О, сразу. Яры.
Wow. The last one. What fish is this, love? Varel? Farel. 3. You like it? You like fish? Bye-bye.
Photo.
How photo? And these are the fish that I caught today. The fish stuck. And they are frying it. Sorry guys. And he's the chef. Chef. Idag. Again, food. This is the fish that we caught today. Amazing. Look at that fresh fish. Catch. Fresh catch. This is our beer, Budweiser. How about his brother, no? Brother? Okay. This is how I am right now, and I drink like, I don't know, maybe 6 shots of vodka with the flavor. And I want to see this tomorrow because I'm kind of drunk right now, but I'm okay. Really amazing to be here. Seriously, it's really good, and these foods are amazing. Can you see it? We finished it. It's just the bread we didn't finish. It's a shame, but we didn't pay for it because this restaurant gave it to us. It's really amazing. By the way, this is the Budweiser, and for those who doesn't know, that the Budweiser original bottle is this one. My wife is looking at me right now. I can see her behind me. And this is the Budweiser Classic right here. It is original, as you can see right here. Original. Yeah. Budweiser of Ukrainian. I think so. If this is fake, let me know, guys. Alright? Amazing. See my wife there? Oh, Tipiani. In English, is drunk. I don't know how. It's my brother. And his brother right there. Yeah. Ciao.
Ciao.
Так.